Nobody wants to end up with a money pit or a haunted mansion, unless that's your thing. Ever heard of due diligence in real estate? It's not as boring as it sounds, I promise. Imagine you are about to buy a house, but instead of just falling in love with those shiny floors and fancy kitchen, you put on your detective hat first. That's due diligence, friends. It's like stalking your ex on social media before the first date, but this time around for houses. Why bother? Well, nobody wants to end up with a money pit or a haunted mansion, unless that's your thing. So before you sign on the dotted line, number 1, snoop around the neighborhood. Number 2, check if the roof's not playing hide and seek with the attic. 3, make sure the previous owner wasn't running a secret substance lab. Remember, even if your BFF is selling you their place, do your homework. Do your due diligence. It is very important. Friends don't let friends buy sketchy real estates. Don't be the person crying over a lemon of a house. Do your due diligence and avoid those "I should have known better" moments. Who knew being nosy could save you from real estate nightmares? Share if you have had a close call or learned this lesson the hard way. Let's save your friends from property drama. My name is Adone. Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.